Basic Tactics for Listening, 2nd edition, by Jack C. Richards. Published in copyright, Oxford University Press, 2003. Compact Disc 1. Unit 1, Names and Titles. Page 2. 2. Let's listen. What is the correct name of the hotel guest? Circle the correct answer. 1.
My name is Maria Carter, and I have a reservation.
Is that Marycarter?
No, Maria. Maria.
Oh, right. Here it is. 2 nights, right?
That's right.
2.
Can I have your name, please?
Smith. Susanna Smith.
Is that S-U-S-A-N?
No, Suzanna.
Sorry, Miss Smith. I don't see anything here, and the hotel is full tonight.
What?
3.
Mr. Wilson?
That's right. Harry Wilson.
Is that Harvey?
No. Harry. They call me Dirty Harry.
Oh.
4.
My name's Abramson. Abramson. Do you have a reservation for me?
Just a minute. First name Joseph?
That's right, Joseph.
Ah, yes. Here it is.
5.
My name's Louis Jackson.
Is that Louise?
No, that's a girl's name.
Oh, sorry.
It's Louis.
Of course.
6.
Can I have your name, please?
Cruz. Cruise.
And your first name?
Marley. That's Marley.
That's an unusual name.
Yes, it is. I hate it.
Page 3. 3. Let's listen. Task 1. Cindy's father is taking phone messages for her. Listen and complete the forms. 1.
Hello.
Hello. Can I speak to Cindy, please?
Sorry, she's not in. Can I take a message?
Yes, this is Bob from school. Bob Jackson.
Can you spell your last name?
Jackson.
Okay. And what's your telephone number, Bob?
691-3839.
Okay. Do you want Cindy to call you?
Yes, please.
Fine, I'll give her the message.
2.
Hello, Tom Waite speaking.
Hello. Can I speak to Cindy, please?
Sorry, she's not here.
Can I leave a message?
Yes, of course.
Thanks. This is Nancy. My number is 391-8246. Please ask Cindy to call me.
Okay, I'll ask her to call you as soon as she gets back.
Thank you.
3.
Hello, this is Cindy's house, but Cindy's not home.
Oh, I see. Can I leave a message, please?
Yes, I'm ready.
Thanks. This is Brian calling. Brian Kennedy.
Is that BrianKennedy?
Yes. And my number is 271-8914.
271-8914. Okay. And will you call again later?
Yes, I will.
4.
Oh, no, not another one. Hello.
Hello, is Cindy there?
She's not here. Who's this?
This is her teacher, Miss Wilson.
Oh, Miss Wilson. Yes, of course. Do you want to leave your number?
It's okay. I'll call back.
Page 3. 3. Let's listen. Task 2. Listen again. Circle the correct answer. Page 4. 4. Let's listen. Task 1. Listen. Are the woman's greetings formal or informal? Check the correct answer. 1,
I'd like you to meet my friend, David Wilson.
Hi, David. Nice to meet you.
2,
Hi, let me introduce you. This is your new boss, Susan Jackson.
Good morning, Ms. Jackson.
3,
Hello.
Hello, this is Bob Cruz calling.
Good evening, Bob. How are you?
4,
Hello. Do you remember me? I'm Michelle Bolton.
Hi, Michelle. How's everything?
5,
Good afternoon. I'm Charles Smith. I have an appointment at 2 o'clock.
Hello, Mr. Smith. Nice to see you again.
6,
Good afternoon. I'm John Carter, your new student.
Hello, John.
7,
Hello?
Hi, this is Brian Abrams. I'm returning your call.
Hi, Professor Abrams. Thanks for calling. Did you get my homework assignment?
8,
Let me introduce you. This is your grandmother's doctor, Ruth Steinberg. Hello, Dr. Steinberg. I'm glad to meet you. I've heard great things about you.